Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Winner's Edge. This is the second episode of our podcast, and we're covering last week, and I'm also showing you what we're currently watching as of Monday, June 1st. I am Darrell, your host, and together we are trying to accomplish the same thing, and that's make money in the Forex markets. I watch 24 different pairs, and I've been watching them for quite a while. I use a system called VMS 2.0. It's a strategy that I've developed over the years, and it stands for volume, momentum, and structure. I use 4-hour charts, I use daily charts, and occasionally the 1 hour to verify for volume. So here is what is currently going on. We're currently live in two trades. I use TradingView and AUDJPY as my broker. So Australian dollar to the Japanese yen, we got in this one last week sometime, and we were at 20-year highs. I personally think this one's going to go down at least to the 110.30 area. And that's what I have my take profit set at. And so, we'll see. How the markets are. They can do pretty much whatever the hell they want. And so we'll just stay strong in this one and see what happens. The next one that we're currently live in, as of this morning, June 1st, is the pound to the Australian dollar. This one we took, again, last week, and we're looking for, we took a long position. So this one probably is going to go a little bit higher than that. See if I can move some stuff around here. I love TradingView. I don't know if that's what your trading platform is or not, but I love it. Super easy to work with. Okay, so that's where we'll set our take profit on this one. We almost got stopped out. Look at this right here, guys. We almost got stopped out right down here, and then the market turned and started going with it. Have you ever had that happen to you where you just barely get stopped out and then the market turns around and takes off without you? Make a comment if that's happened to you. It's happened to me a few times. So what happened last week? Well, honestly, we didn't have a very good week. We had a couple of losses and one win, and nothing spectacular. But so let's look forward here. The dollar to the yen is the first one I want to show to you that I'm watching. And I'm going to bring this up on a daily chart because you can kind of get a clearer picture of what I'm looking at here. So here we've got, multi-year highs in this arena, in this area, the zone. And so what I'm looking for is for price to come up into this zone, and then momentum to, right now it's high and hooking down, but I'm certainly not going to take a down position here. So anyhow, we're waiting for the market to come up into this arena, and then we'll look for rejection there. That's one we're watching. The next one is the pound to the Swiss franc. We got that guy right here. So here's another one that this is on a daily chart, mind you, and we've had a really strong down move right here, and then a pullback, another down move, and then another pullback. So this isn't your typical 1, 2, 3, but I do see that it looks like the momentum has changed on this one from an uptrend here to here to a downtrend, because it broke below and closed below this swing low, made a new swing high here, and then it broke below this one. So now I'm thinking we might be seeing rejection here, so that's what I'm going to be watching for. The next one is the pound to the Canadian dollar, the next one we're watching. Here, June 1st on a Monday, started the new month, started the new week. That's fantastic. Okay, so you can see quite a bit of resistance right in this area, and it goes all the way back actually to this area in here. And, and that's drawing these zones is really objective or subjective, I guess. My zone might not be the same as yours. But so what I'm looking for is for price to come up into this area, and then on a 4-hour chart, complete some kind of a structure setup. You can see where it's a little bit more clear here on the 4-hour. and pretty good support right here. So if we come up and touch this again and then see momentum starting to hook down and get some volume involved in there, we might see something. So we'll keep watching this one. Euro to the dollar is the next one. I like this market. Always seems to be pretty reliable. And let me get rid of that. That's a win that we took. Let's see. So what do we got here? So obviously we're in a downtrend, and it looks like we're getting rejection here. This will be a really nice engulfing candle that will finish out in about a half an hour. Let's come over to the daily and see what that's telling us. The daily momentum looks like it's up, but if we look overall at price action looks like it's down, doesn't it? So we've got at least a 1, 2, 3, and then a pullback right up into this the swing low right here, which is what exactly we're looking for on a 1, 2, 3 leg pullback. And coming back over to the 4 hour. So I'm going to wait for this candle to close out. If it closes out and stays an engulfing candle, then I might put in a limit order. I'm not positive yet, but again, that's one that we're watching. Okay, so that's really it for this podcast. Last week, again, wasn't the best week I've ever had, and we're just starting this podcast, so I'm going to try to do a little bit better with the information and all that for you. Okay, hope you have a great day and a great week, and I will talk with you again soon.